This time on Roadkill, it's a budget beater drag car battle.
I race Finnegan from 500 miles away.
Two teams in different states go head-to-head to build the quickest car they can for next to nothing.
We said we could spend $3 grand on go fast, like engine parts, essentially, right? Stuff that makes the car go fast. So not the smallest budget, but small. Mine's gonna be faster, and at the end of it, we're gonna race 8th mile. Then, you know, maybe one day after we beat you virtually, then we can, and everyone's safe and we get through this, then we could beat you in real life later as friends.
Did he forget who he was talking to?
I know. Good luck with that. Really. You're gonna need it. All the luck.
It's probably true. Honestly, we have 3 days to turn like a shell into a car, so I'm excited about it. These are gonna be some long nights. So I've got an 85 Monte Carlo that I just picked up. It is a shell with a cage in it. I've got a 383 little stroker short block here. I'm gonna throw a bunch of parts at, make a whole bunch of horsepower, and then obviously smoke that Nova that never works. So that'll be the way it goes, and it'll be great. We'll keep it fun and friendly.
Yeah, you're losing, whatever. We have Newbern's 71 Nova, which is internet famous for blowing up engines at Hot Rod Drag Week, and it is presently equipped with 454 freaking cubic inches from the OG Roadkill ramp truck, which you know is super reliable and fast.
With God knows how many miles are on it.
We'll be fine.
Who's driving?
Newbern,
Nice.
it's his car.
So you guys just have all those things going in your favor. So just keeping it cheap, throwing on these old Edelbrock stamped rusty valve covers we found in the back of the Monte. And what's nice is they will cost $0 against our budget.
All right, and that's about how the alternator will sit.
Throwing on a SFI-rated Speedmaster billet flex plate just to keep us safe. Neutral balance front and one small weight on the flex plate. That's how they roll. All right, it is the end of day 3. We've got basically one more day to work on this car until we have to hit the track. We're pretty tired. Just gonna slam this transmission onto our 383 and call it a night. Just get ready to put it in, you know, maybe clean the engine bay out, but one very long day tomorrow, and then we're gonna hit the track. It's party time. All right, go to bed. Okay, I guess it's time to check in on the B team, see how they're doing. You guys there?
Yo.
What up?
You guys look clean and refreshed. So you didn't sleep in the shop last night like we did?
Nah.
Your car run yet?
No.
No.
Hopefully it runs tomorrow.
You guys want to know where the engine is? It's on a table. It's on a table over here.
I want to see you make your car run in the next 24 hours.
Oh, so do I.
What's left?
Motor and trans into the car, shifter, seat, wiring, cooling, fuel. What else makes cars run?
Hopes and dreams, apparently.
Mount some tires, get a windshield, drive shaft made. Does that seem like a lot? It seems like a lot to me.
How's your budget looking on this whole deal?
Number one, let's be real. I bought this car with that stroker block for $1,000. We're not counting that. The crank is $249. So also, pistons are some more money. But then, yeah, we spent like $2 grand on the top end, full top end, heads, rockers, push rods, camshaft lifters, everything.
Yeah. All right.
We're in the ballpark.
All right.
We're changing out new parts for used parts just to get that 75% price.
Yeah, we put a new cam in with old valve springs to make sure we didn't go over and we didn't do cylinder heads. Yeah.
You're gonna be fine, I think.
Oh, we're fine. I slept great. My conscience is clear. I would come there and help you, but
Look, we could probably finish ours and drive there and help him.
No.
all right, we're gonna go finish ours.
All right, later, dudes. What up? You were calling 3, 2, 1. I saw Pat go 3, 2. The girl flipped the switch. By the time I turned to the right, it was on the second yellow.
How bad was your reaction time? Because I think you said that counted, right?
Yeah, I red lighted. Because as soon as I turned, I'd hit it.
We win!
Then we'll call the start. And you can sit at the staging lanes, stage for 5 minutes.
We got no throttle cable.
Tell him we can go again.
we'll go again.
As soon as I hit second, throttle was gone. I was like, no, 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 no. So he red lighted, so that means I have a second chance here.
But yeah, I want to run again.
It liked it.
Yeah.
Oh, it liked
yeah.
it. I broke the pedal in half.
You broke the pedal?
I was pushing it hard.
Wow. Cast Aluminum just said, we have a chance. We lost, but maybe he'll give us a, best 2 out of 3.
I mean, technically we didn't lose, but.
No, technically he lost on a red light, but.
That's still though.
I don't know what happened, but he said he couldn't see his tree or hear his tree. I don't know what happened. That car's quick, dude. He went 786.
So I gotta have the bottle.
Oh yeah, you gotta have the bottle. And wide open throttle and a functioning gas pedal. That would help a lot. We could through bolt this and maybe make it so tight that it clamps together.
Take that pedal off. I'm robbing the one out of the ramp truck.
I love it.
Now we've got a couple issues. We know the transmission's leaking. The shifter, I can't get it to work right. And we're gonna try to mess around with that and fix it. But I know that Finn and Newbern are also struggling with their Nova. Something about wide open throttle. I heard they're taking the throttle pedal out of the ramp truck. I don't know what that means, but it doesn't sound great. We need to both get to the line and have a race. It's no fun if one of us doesn't get to run.
Please give us full throttle. Please, please, please. You're real close. Yeah, you're there. All right, fixed. Last pass didn't go good.
No.
Broke the throttle pedal in half. This one will be better.
I don't think we have any gears, so we'll see what happens. I think I got one.
We're ready.
If I get into second gear, you guys are toast.
Oh man! That's freaking awesome!
That's what I'm talking about!
Dude, you are the man! Yoo-hoo-hoo! That was the pass of your life, dude. That was incredible.
It spun like crazy.
No, dude, it wasn't bad at all.
Really?
Yeah, it spun, but you had good wheel speed, dude. It took off.
Good job. Woo! We didn't tell what we ran yet.
What was your reaction time?
0.01.
Nice. What was your ET?
7.812.
Damn it!
We lost, dude. Well, you ran a 790. I don't know what his reaction time was, but we ran a 790.
Damn, that was a good race.
That's close.
That's so close.
Which I don't even care, dude. When you go from broken gas pedal to 790, dude, you're the man. You drove the wheels off this thing. It didn't even go straight, man.
No, it was all over the track. I love it!
Oh my God, what a good race.
Good job, fellas. Good job. Way to build a car in 4 days. My hat is off to you. I don't know how you did that, but I'm impressed. 790 with motorhome parts, and they didn't even match motorhome parts, dude.
That's impressive as hell. All right, we win. Woo!
Right.
Woo! Yo, I can't believe that we spent a week totally apart, building totally different cars, and ran within a tenth of each other. That's amazing.
That's awesome.
That's pretty amazing. I was about to say we owe them steak dinner next time we're in PA.
I was about to say the same thing.
But conveniently, the internet doesn't work, so maybe we don't owe them steak dinner. I don't know.
We owe them internet service.
Apparently.